Let's see this question on rank of the matrix. Find the rank of So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix and we have to find the rank, right? We can transform this into the triangular form and then we can check the number of non-zero rows, which will give you the rank of this matrix, right? So let's start with the first column, and the elements below this diagonal element 0.2 have to be made 0, out of which this is already 0, so we have to make this one 0. So the first step which we can do is step 1. We can do is row 3 is row 3 minus half of row 1, right? Half of this subtracted from this will give you 0. So in that case what we will get is 0.2 this will become 0, this will become minus of half of this, so this is 0.05, and this becomes minus of half of this, so minus 2.1, and minus 0.2 will become minus 2.3. right? Step 2, I'm writing it here only. Step 2 is to check for the column 2. First we tried with column 1, now this is column 2. For column 2 we have to make the elements below the diagonal element, this is the diagonal element, to be 0. So this is possible by elementary transformation, which is row 3 is row 3 minus, I'll say 1 by 1.1 into 0.05 times of row 2, right? R3 minus, to make this equal to this, we can do divided by 1.1 and into 0.05. So divided by 1.1 and into 0.05. This gives it this is 0, this will become 0, and this will become minus 2.286. So we have achieved the triangle form, and we can see that all the rows are non-zero. This is non-zero for all the elements, non-zero with 2 elements non-zero, and with 1 0 non-zero element. So all the rows are non-zero. So with 3 non-zero rows, rank becomes